Welcome to Thursday's Market Sit right here at Top Gun Options. And the world, of course, continues to fall apart, and the market continues to go up. Obviously, we got Mr. Magoo over in Israel trying to make peace, John Kerry. Seriously, whenever the United Nations, when you look up the definition of clown car in the dictionary, it's a picture of the UN. The UN has accused Israel of war crimes and genocide for attacking civilians. How stupid can you be? Hamas is using those civilians literally as shields, firing rockets out of houses, hospitals. They're being transported around in ambulances, firing out of mosques. Israel sends texts to these people, to the civilians. They drop leaflets. They have a broadcast to tell these people to leave, tell them exactly where to go for safe areas, and they don't do it. Why? Under threat of death, probably, from Hamas. It's either get killed by the Israelis or Hamas. Dead children are great news to Hamas. You think Israel actually thinks that's good news for them? It's just, it pisses me off. The United Nations is a bunch of fools, and most of the people in our administration are fools as well. They're doing a semi-decent job this time of walking a finer line by saying Israel has a right to defend itself, but they're not doing a hell of a job criticizing Hamas for, they're the reason that these people are dead, not Israel. If you commit a crime where accidentally somebody gets killed and you weren't directly involved, you didn't pull the trigger, it doesn't matter. You're still charged with murder, and that's what Hamas is guilty of war crimes. Ukraine, still absolute anarchy. A week after they blast nearly 300 men, women, and children out of the sky and turn them into hair, teeth, and eyeballs, they shoot down two Su-25s, even after Russia says, oh, those rebels don't have those sophisticated jets. So let me get this straight. Ukrainian forces fought their way into a rebel region with the surface-to-air missile battery, launched it, and then fought their way out. Makes perfect sense to me. But let's get domestic, folks. New home sales. Holy shnikes. New home sales collapsed 20% from May. We're back at 2012 levels, and that's the biggest miss in a year. How's that housing recovery going? And how about our overall recovery? PMI. The PMI drop was the biggest miss on record. Okay, so looking literally at the numbers here, weekly unemployment claims, okay, but look at that. Flash manufacturing PMI 56.3 and new home sales 406,000. Not good. After everything that I just briefed you, you would expect the Dow to be down about 150 points. We're essentially up 22. And the S&P is up 4. You can't keep this market down, folks. It's absolutely nuts. One of the reasons I think the market's up a little bit is the flash manufacturing PMI out of China. HSBC comes out with that, and HSBC is saying, hey, total new orders increased the quickest rate in 18 months. So good-looking moves out of what's going on in China. Let's take a look at the FXI. Big dump in gold today at the open, too. But China, look at that. The FXI is up 1.5%. We have some great long China trades, and all the bricks are doing pretty well. Even the EWZ of late. The EWZ, after the World Cup, has had a rip-your-face-off rally, and we've been crushing it with our EWZ trades. Take a look at the last 3 months in a couple of our portfolios, or the last month. Boom! Look at that run out of the EWZ. So the BRICS nations are moving forward with their plans to kind of undercut Western nations, Western economies. There you go. Look at the FXI. We've had some good long call diagonals and synthetic stock on the FXI. So all you China haters, take a look at that chart. So a lot of good stuff going on here at Top Gun Options. Weekly options model portfolios looking great. We had a couple trades on this week that are looking to make potentially $4,500 this week. $4,500 in about 5 days. That's some nice living. So I got to run. I'll be back with Friday's market wrap up tomorrow over at Wealth Creation Investing. Happy hunting, and make sure you hedge. We'll see you.